Good afternoon, Upastars. We'll do a simple methi paneer. It's going to be different because I'll be using soaked fenugreek. So I'll just start with a layer of oil. This is less than 1 teaspoon oil. This is about a cup of fenugreek which has been soaked overnight. So I'm using this as a vegetable substitute. Let me also start the timer to see how long the whole thing takes. And I'll add a bit of soaked soya chunks. If you're using smaller chunks, you don't even need soaking. You can either add them as it is or mix them up with spices if you want a deeper flavor. So let me just mix them with spices. I'll also add some paneer. The surface has dried out because I stored them uncovered in the refrigerator, but that's fine. It will soften up on cooking. I'm going to mix this with spices, any spices you like. This is a pepper chicken mix, a bit of pepper, a bit of salt, and this is fish fry masala. Mix it all up. These are 5 to 6 minute dishes. Ensure that the spices don't touch the bottom. That's it. This shouldn't take more than 3 or 4 minutes. Mix in bottle tadka, you're good to go. And if you want a gravy, you can always mix in some cream or some yogurt. So let me convert it into a gravy version by mixing in some cream. I'll also chop up some soaked almonds to garnish this. And to give it some texture. So curries like this are ideal when you are facing a shortage of vegetables. You can also use sprouts. Now these are horse gram sprouts. So sprouts become excellent vegetable substitutes. If you learn sprouting, you have an endless supply of vegetables because almost all whole lentils can be sprouted beautifully. Fenugreek does not become bitter. Once soaked and cooked, it becomes perfectly edible. There is a mild bitterness left out, but you can balance it by mixing in some coconut or some cream or some lemon juice or even some jaggery if you like. Two whistles, I'll just switch this off. Release the pressure. There is a slight amount of charring at the bottom because I did not add too much of oil or water. That's fine. Just mix in some. You can serve it as it is if you want a dry curry. Or mix in some almonds. Mix in some bottle tadka. Let me do two versions. I'll serve one half of this as a dry curry and serve the other half as a gravy. That will be the dry curry. Mix in a bit of lemon juice and mix in some cream to convert this into a gravy. Maybe around quarter cup of cream, and the cream will melt and give you a nice thick and creamy gravy. Look at that. Ultra simple, no? So you have two restaurant sized portions, all done from scratch in less than 10 minutes. And the good thing is that you can do this even when you run out of vegetables completely. You can mix in more cream, more milk, or even a bit of yogurt, and that's all it takes. Around 9 minutes from start to finish. So you have one dry curry and a gravy. Pretty easy, right?